good morning. I want to introduce myself first. So, my name is Fiza Akila Rahma, and my student number is 245304 and 2007. In this video, I want to review a novel. This is the novel. This is my collection. So this is the title Days at the Morisaki Bookshop. This video is meant to fulfill the final project for the intermediate reading course. So, and I will talk about the basic information of the book, the setting, main character, a short summary, and the theme and message, my personal opinion, language difficulty, recommendation, and setting. So, stay tuned, everyone. So the title of the novel is Days at the Morisaki Bookshop. It is written by Satoshi Yagisawa and was first published in 2009. This novel belongs to the slice of life and the contemporary fiction genre. This is a Japanese teen fiction, I think. The story focuses on self-healing, personal growth, and the power of books in everyday life. The story is set in novel in this location is Tokyo, Japan, mainly in a small second-hand bookshop called Morisaki Bookshop, located in Jimbocho area, which is a famous for bookstores. The time setting is the modern era and the atmosphere of the story is calm, quiet. The main character of this novel, her name is Takako. She's a young woman who feels lost and depressed after experiencing a painful breakup. At the beginning of the story, she lacks motivation and feels disconnected for her life. Another important character is Satoru Morisaki. He is a Takako uncle. He is the owner of the Morisaki bookshop. He is quiet, kind, and loves books. Through his simple lifestyle, he helps Takako slowly heal and rediscover herself. The story begins when the Takako boyfriend suddenly leaves her to marry another woman. This makes Takako feel broken and hopeless. After that, her uncle invites her to stay at his bookshop. At first, Takako doesn't like books and feels bored living there. However, as time goes by, she starts reading and spending time in the bookshop. Through books, conversation, and quiet moments, Takako began to reflect on her life. She slowly understands herself better and learns how to move on from her past pain. The novel doesn't focus on dramatic conflict but rather on Takako's emotional journey and personal growth. There are two things I like about this novel. First, I really like the peaceful atmosphere of the story. The setting of the bookshop creates a comforting feeling for reader. The second, I appreciate how the author presents emotional growth realistically without exaggeration. However, there are also two things I dislike. The first, the story moves at a slow pace, which may feel boring for some readers. The second, the conflict in the novel is quite simple and some part could be developed more deeply. Even so, I think these weaknesses are acceptably because the novel focuses more on emotion than on actions. In my opinion, the language used in this novel is easy to medium. The sentences are clear and not too complex, which makes it suitable for intermediate level English learner. I would recommend this novel to college students, English learners, and readers who enjoy calm and meaningful stories. This book is especially suitable for people who are experience emotional change or want to read something like by meaningful. Overall, I will give this at the Morisaki Bookshop a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars.